Hey guys, I have some more Amazon deals to share with you. Everything's going to be linked down below. We are going to sneak in some Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight. I'm working on that stuff, but Amazon's really had such amazing deals the last couple of days. We just got to do a whole video dedicated to their stuff because there's some really good things. Before we get into this drone, I have one other thing I want to show you. I want to kick things off by showing you guys these cordless scissors or cardboard cutters, if you will. These guys weren't nice enough to send it to me for free, so I included in this video showing it to you. They also gave me a high value 50, that is 50% promo code just for you guys. You're going to get 50% off of this if you want to pick yourself up one. It is rechargeable. It comes with the USB-C cable, which plugs in right in the back. You get the hard case that zips up to keep it nice and protected so you don't lose nothing, and we do get a spare cutter if you need to change that out. But if you need to cut cardboard or plastic packages, these things are always such a pain to open. These guys are really nice for that. It's got the safety button on top. When we hit that, we have the indicator there showing the state of charge of the battery. We also have a forward facing light so we can see what we're cutting. But give it a squeeze, give the trigger a squeeze, and we are just going to town. So I got this piece of cardboard over here. Yeah, we can be even artistic about it. Watch your fingers on that one. But then also, if we want to cut up a little plastic package, let's try and switch hands here, see if I can show it to you. Cutting these things are so much easier when you got scissors like this. You just cut that thing right off, make it nice and easy for you. So, normally $35, but with our 50% promo code $17.49, free shipping for the Prime members for your rechargeable cordless scissors. Check them out. So if you're interested, that cardboard cutter, the cordless cutters there are 50% off and linked down below. Now, the drone, which is also linked down below, by the way, if I haven't already mentioned it 5 times, drone with camera, adults, beginners, 1080p, foldable mini drone, 2 batteries, easy to fly, 1 key start, altitude hold. It does all the things. Handy dandy case. Got the folding drone. Your phone goes in there. You get their app. You can live view on the camera. Very fun. $39.98, but then 50% off VIP 4 drone. You click right there, and that'll copy the promo code to your clipboard, and you can paste it at the checkout page. Goes through the 25th of August, so about a week to take advantage. Does work for multiple quantities if you want more than one. It's only going to be $19.99. I think this is especially good, 1 for kids, 2 for people who don't have experience flying a drone, because if you look at the homepage on my website today, there's another drone posted that is quite a bit more expensive. It does have a nice promo code, and it's a real popular drone, so it's probably a good one, but it's expensive, and I'm telling you, it is easy to crash and break these things if you don't know what you're doing. So if you've never owned one or you're not real comfortable with flying one, get the $20 one first, okay? Because you're going to hit a tree. You're going to hit a power line. You're going to hit something. And the problem with hitting stuff with the drone is it's not so much the object that you hit. You hit the tree, okay, whatever, it's fine. It's got to fall like 100 feet after that. It's the 100-foot fall after the object is what screws up your drone. So for $20, a lot of fun to play with. And you might want to take advantage of the promo code working on multiple ones, so when you fly it into the tree, you got a backup plan. At the very least, you got spare parts. Next up, I love this WorkPro deal. The rechargeable underhood work light, 25-inch foldable magnetic light bar, adjustable hanging straps, LED lights. Look how it's like this all bendy thing, and you have the hooks on the end. It's rechargeable. Just seems really versatile. It starts out at $29.99, but right now the Amazon page has a $15 coupon, so it's going to be $14.99, free shipping for the Prime members. For $15, it just looks super useful to me. I love that it's all bendy. Like, hopefully it's got, you know, it's durable enough that it doesn't break too easily or anything, because that could be an issue. But it looks like super versatile. It's got to be lightweight. How much could that thing even weigh? That's one thing about my DeWalt one. It's kind of heavy for what it is, trying to reach out and, it's a couple feet long or whatever. I don't know, for 15 bucks, I really liked it. Also, the DeWalt thing was like $100. Upgraded clip-on earbuds, comfortable fit, crystal clear sound, 40-hour playtime by KingLucky. Bluetooth earbuds, handy-dandy charging case. You just drop them in, get a charge. Love these Bluetooth earbuds. $29.99, another 50% off item, going to be $14.99. Supposed to go through October 8th. That's a long, long way away. We don't expect promo codes to last that long, but they might. I guess you never know. Friends over at Seesii had the 6.5-inch cordless circular saw with laser, 5200 RPM. Now, this is one thing I don't like. Total 8,000 milliamp hour battery. Okay, look, it's two 4 amp hour batteries. I don't know why they can't just say it's two 4 amp hour. Why do you got to do that goofy shit? But we're going to give them a pass for now on being stupid. But it's a 6.5-inch cordless circular saw on sale for $89.99, but then we have a 35% promo code right there working right now. Brings it down to $50 and change. Again, really good deal for two 4 amp hour batteries on your 6.5-inch circular saw. And if you watched yesterday's video or took advantage of any of those deals, we had the drill and we had the diesel pump. So you may already have other batteries to go with it. And keep in mind, Makita 18-volt batteries work on your Seesii tools, so you can always get those or pick up some in the future if you need additional batteries for the Seesiis. We've had some really good deals on their stuff. You got the 12-pack of magnetic toolbox labels, magnet toolbox organizers by Dayingjiang. So I got another set of these from a different brand, but I was really happy with them. It's kind of a nice little array of things. Slap it on the toolbox. So if someone's helping you out in the garage and you say you need a pair of eye pliers, okay, and I don't know what happened with the pliers label, but that's the only one that I noticed. Let me look again. That I noticed a typo. I don't know. You'll have some explaining. Ricky, you got some explaining to do. Well, that was Lucy that had explaining to do. Whatever. You'll have to ask for the eye pliers. And then when they look at you goofy, be like, look, it says it right on the magnet. But they're $6.99. No promo code or anything. I just kind of like them. Throw them on the toolbox. Keep your stuff organized. Have some discounts by ProWin. I saw 3 things, and I wanted to just put it all together on one page, but I wasn't really sure how to categorize them or what to call them, so we're just calling it big discounts. You have the 30-pack of Spring Snap Carabiners for $11.24, normally $22.49, so half off there. Again, that's a 30-pack, and somewhere I thought it said it holds up to 500 pounds. So you always got to have more of those around. Super useful for all sorts of stuff. Then we had a couple of turnbuckles, 2 different style turnbuckles. This one's 50% off, normally $17.89 down to $8.94. It's a 4-pack, and it's a today-only lightning deal or whatever you want to call it. So stainless steel on the turnbuckle, and then you got the double hook kind. Another 4-pack, again, $8.94, either of those sale prices. Six-piece torque wrench set. You're getting the half, the 3/8, the 1/4 inch. 170 foot-pounds, 45 foot-pounds, 220 inch-pounds. Dual direction with your extension bars. That's where you get to the 6. 3 torque wrenches, 3 extensions. Dual scale by Suzume. Comes with the handy-dandy case. So it's $67.58, but then the 20% promo code. You're going to be into the 50s there. Not sure when it expires. It is good right now. But that's under $20 a piece on the torque wrenches. If you open up the Amazon page, they have some pretty good reviews on them. Seems like something you'd be happy with. I do like the black with the white lettering. You get the high contrast on the scales there. If you get like the all chrome one, something that like Harbor Freight sells theirs, really hard to see when you become an old man. Really hard to see engraved chrome. So give me that high contrast so I can actually see what I'm doing. This one's really cool. This flashlight's 2-in-1. You both get the black light, the UV light, and you get the white light. It's magnetic. It's rechargeable. Lots of cool things going on by iTox. Blacklight's always fun. We've talked about that. You can see pet urine, human other fluids. Check your hotel bed. You will not sleep like a baby. $26.99, another 50% offer. Boy, we got a lot of 50% offers. Note to self, thumbnail and title, mention 50% off because it's accurate. It's true. $13.50 for your 2-in-1 flashlight, rechargeable, magnetic tail cap, black light, white light. It's got all the light. Got a leaf blower, cordless, 20-volt battery, pack charger, handheld blower, no bending, variable speed, lightweight, no Peronis here. On the oh man, missed the cough button on that. I kind of held it back. Boompal, 2 batteries with your little extension blowers. Don't you wish your blower had extensions like that? $55.99, 47% off, ruining my 50% streak, you suckers. Going through the 23rd, so almost half off, about $30. 2 batteries, handheld blower, dry off your car after washing it, clear off the saw after cutting some wood. InoKraft Max Spray Airless Paint Sprayer, 3000 PSI, 550 watt, thinning free latex acrylic spraying, ideal for walls, fences, decks. 12-inch extension, 25-foot hose. 3 or 4 years ago, these guys sent me a different variation of this. So they have one that looks almost identical, except for it's on a tall stand with wheels, and it really works well if you're painting out of like 5-gallon buckets because it elevates you above the bucket. But here, I guess for that, or even just 1 gallon, you just drop that sump in there. And it worked really well. It took a second to get it dialed in, the pressure and the nozzle and everything. But once I backed it up a little bit because I was spraying too much stain at first, it took a fence that would have easily taken a day or more. I swear I was done in like an hour. We did a video on it back when they gave it to me. It worked amazingly. The only thing I don't like is the setup. The setup and like when you're done. It's still a lot faster, but you got to prime the pump, get all the stain, paint wherever you got getting through it. And then when you're done, you got to make sure you clean it out real well. Otherwise, it'll get clogged up. You got to take apart the gun. And, it's just, that part's kind of a pain in the ass. But so fast. It was great. Really. $249.99, 25% promo code. Of course, on $250, that's $75 or so. So you'll pay maybe $180. But I was really happy with it. Cordless hot glue gun for your DeWalt 20-volt batteries. 100-watt full-size glue gun with 12 glue sticks. This is by Denqir, so you slap your DeWalt 20-volt batteries on this guy. Love the idea of a cordless glue gun, because with the glue guns, it's the cord that's a pain in the ass. The glue gun's super lightweight. Cord's got a little rigidity to it, so you try and set it up on the bench or the desk or whatever, and it's just flopping over or it's spinning around in circles because the cord is just a pain. So give me a cordless. Also looks like we can stand right up on the battery. We'll be balanced enough that you can just set it up. It's perfect. $29.99. We have a 34% promo code. Makes it about $19.99. It's going to be under $20. And you got a glue gun that works with your DeWalt batteries. Can't beat that. Manual wire stripping machine, electric and manual by LLNC. Really kind of cool. It does have the manual hand crank, but as you can kind of see from the image, you can put a drill on the other side. It's got this little roller cavity here that your wire sits in, and then it's a cutter on top, and you can adjust the tension of the cutter with this thumb wheel up here. I have one by a different brand that's very similar, but if you're interested at all in any kind of scrapping and you're stripping copper wire a lot, this will make it a lot easier for you just to pull it on through. And as long as if you do the same type of wire in batches, then once you get this dialed into the right tension, you just leave it and keep running wire through. Where it becomes a little bit of a hassle is if you have tons of different wire and you're constantly having to adjust it, because you want to cut in enough that you're getting through that outer sheathing, but you don't want to make it more difficult than it has to be, or multi-strand wire cut into it, or make a mess like that. So $26.99, another 50% off deal. Love the 50% off discount. It's going to be $13.50. Outside of like scrapping, I'm not sure who's all stripping a bunch of wire, but copper's expensive, so go to a job site, bring some wire cutters and a friend, maybe a bucket. I don't know what else you put it in. Roll it up. Watch out for the flocks. They might get you. HDMI cable. This one's 6.6 feet. Love that it's not 6.5 feet because I needed just a little bit extra length on that. Ultra high speed braided cord by Yuaice. Now it does come in a bunch of different lengths if you look at the Amazon page. I just kind of like the price of this one. Only $4.64. Get that Blu-ray player hooked up. People still use those? I do. I still have a VCR. I can see it from where I'm sitting. Like them old movies. Your Xbox, your PlayStation, whatever you got, $4.64. Again, the Amazon page has different lengths. A bunch of them are on sale. So it might be the time to grab. Get a little grabby. And then a little sister deal to that one. You have the Ethernet cable. This is the 40-footer. Again, this was the best discount on the page, but it had different lengths if you don't need 40 feet. Got the flat cable, which is real nice for running. Normally $30, half off, down to $14.99. Again, that is a sale price, no coupon or promo code needed. I need me some good old-fashioned coaxial. I need to reroute because some jackass didn't care and was just like, we're just going to stretch it in a straight line over here and let it dangle and hit you in the head all the time. I'm like, dude, get it like twice the length, tuck it up there, get some wire staples. Make the shit look nice, will ya? You lazy bastard. So, I got some fixing to do, but I need a new cable. Smart wireless meat thermometer. App-connected digital barbecue thermometer, waterproof probe, long-range, real-time monitoring. Look how cool this is. You get their app, you plug this into your turkey, or whatever you want to know the temperature in, you just leave it. You monitor the temperature so you know when the internal temperature's right, you're all good to go, we're ready, we're pulling turkey out. Love that it's wireless. Set it and forget it. Just stab the bird. Watch football and wait. It's $42.99, but 53% off, real close to $20. Supposed to go through the end of September. Can't believe we're already closing in September. Summer's gone. Another summer. What the hell? Wireless meat thermometer, only about $20. Love it. So there it is, guys. I told you there was a bunch of good Amazon stuff today. We got Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, Harbor Freight. They're all on deck. They're waiting their turn, but you got to go where the going's good. So that's where we go. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like. Subscriber, nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.